Hey guys, this is Jeremy with Brindley Mountain Fire Apparatus in Alabama. Going to shoot a walk-around video of this 2011 Fouts Brothers Ford mini pumper for you guys in Oklahoma. Did a quick walk around of the truck myself to try to find anything that I could that was wrong with it. Honestly, it's just not that much to point out on this one. It's a pretty new truck with pretty low miles. It's in really nice condition. We'll do a walk around video and hope that'll help you. Here we go. I think you can probably see the reflection in the paint. The paint just basically looks like brand new. About the same thing for the interior. It's dirty. If you guys decide to come see it, we'll clean it out. If you decide to buy it sight unseen, we will clean it before we send it to you. But not really even, there's no wear on the seats except for some dirt in it. You can't really even tell that it's been used. Everything's real nice and new. I'll shut the door so you can see it changed to the mileage. 16,000 miles on the truck. Kind of the same thing with the engine. Truck this new with this many miles, everything looks pretty close to new. A little bit of rust on some unpainted metal areas, rusty areas. Does have a winch on the front. I think it's a 12,000 pound winch. We've got the weight and the manufacturer listed on the site. Front tires look really pretty close to brand new tread depth on them. The rear tires, I think they'll pass DOT, but at least the outside ones, the tread's a little bit skinnier on. The inside ones, the tread is good. Give you a shot from underneath. Just basically some surface rust like you'd have on any truck that's a few years old, but very clean. Water dripping over there because we keep these trucks outside here, and it had a little bit of water in one of the compartments on top. Did find out that the motor that drives the pump was bad. That's why it's pulled off. It would go right here, of course. And so it's bad, and it's been pulled out, and we're actually just going to put a brand new motor on it to drive the pump. So you got storage here, or actually that's a hose lay, and then storage in this compartment on the top. Booster reel up on the top, and then you can spool the booster reel off either side. Compartments just show the normal amount of wear and tear. For a truck that's 4 or 5 years old, looks good. And then the front compartment is the transverse compartment that goes all the way through the truck. It does have some LED scene lights, LED emergency lights. Big brush guard on the front. And that's about it. I hope that video helped you. If you've got any questions about the truck or about Brindley Mountain, please let me know, and we'll sure do our best to try to help you guys with your search. Thanks very much.